you before. But you're here already, and this will be your charming wife, yes? Well, come to see around the house now, have you? Well, as you're upstairs already.
Him and his bruising! How quickly falls over their heads!
Can't we start downstairs?
Who are these people?
I'm sorry about this. She's nothing to do with the house, I can assure you. Whereas this good lady with the sardines, on the other hand...
No other hands, thank you. Not in my sardines. Because this time, I'm eating them.
...is completely absorbed by her sardines. So why don't we start with the bathroom facilities?
Mrs. Clackett, who are these creatures? Oh, we get them all the time now. They're just Arab sheets. Arab sheets?
Because in here we have... We have him.
The Irish linen sheets. Irish linen sheets from my own bed. Oh, baby devils.
Whereas in the study, of course...
You give me that sheet, you devil. Oh, and there she stands in her smalls for all the world to see.
It's you!
It's her.
It's my little girl. Our little Vicky that ran away from home, who I never thought I'd see again.
Would you believe?
What are you doing here just like this?
What are you doing here dressed like that?
Me? I'm taking our files and tax evasion to Inland Revenue in Basingstoke.
So, where is my other sheet?
Ah, a house of heavenly peace. I rent it. No, I'm not in the country.
Darling, I never had a dress, I mean, flowers like this,
You?
no?
Stick it down, put it back, never saw it.
I'll put it down, oh, Tony!
There's something in here.